I got a call today. Y'all can't see my phone, but my man called me today, and he said, what's up? I ain't been able to talk to you in a minute. It was my son that called me. He's 21. He locked up right now. Yeah. He was wild, like he was tripping. He used to tell me when he was younger, he wanted, like, yo, Pop, I want to play ball. I want to be a rapper. You know what I mean? I want to do this, I want to do that. But he wanted what it looked like. He didn't want what it feel like. So he got out there in the streets. He started doing some things. And he got jammed up. So they locked him up like 3 years ago with about 12 other cats. He had 3 counts of murder. He ain't pulled the trigger, but you know what? Who was he with? He was with his team. Told me the lawyer gonna cost 20 grand. I want what it feels like. And because I slept in the airports, because I sacrificed, 20 grand for the lawyer ain't nothing for me. All them other cats that he got locked up with got 25 to life. They ain't never getting out. My man got 30 years. The lawyer got it down to 12. And because the lawyer knew the prosecutor, he'd be out in about a year. When he called me today, he told me, he said, yo, my counselor called me up there. I think they got good news. I'm just waiting to hear back. I'm waiting for him to get out. But you know what the biggest thing I'm asking him is? Not did you learn your lesson, what are you walking out with? So I got him writing 2 books. He already finished 1 book. I said, do you want it? He said, yeah. I said, don't get comfortable up there. And some of y'all comfortable because you used to losing. You used to being average. You used to getting average grades. You're doing everything average in school, at home, and on the field. You ain't giving 100% nowhere. And what you do here, the way you do some things is gonna be the way you do all things. So if you average now in school, you getting C's and D's. I've been there, I know. Because of that, I ain't had no discipline. I had to learn how to win. I had to learn how to fight. When life busts me upside the head, I had to learn how to stay in the game. I had to learn how to put in 100. And y'all at a point right now where this is your training ground. Say team, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. This is your training ground. Now is the time when you need to learn how to grind. So if you say you want to win, if you say you want to bring home the trophy, if you say you want to be better this year than you were last year, it's going to take sacrifice. Say sacrifice on 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.